Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm actually filming the intro as the last bit I do because I forgot to film an intro. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the process of me buying the car from Copart, bidding, picking it up, and then just basically me just doing a little check after and then sending off the logbook. So if you enjoyed, then make sure you hit the like button, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Right, okay, so it's a Monday, no it's not Monday morning, it's Tuesday morning, and we're on the road to pick up another Vauxhall Corsa. You'd have seen the photos already in the beginning of the video, but we're literally just pulling up to Sandy now. Yeah, Dad thinks I give too much money, but I mean it probably is on the strong side compared to what we was paying from last year, but it's all relative because they've all gone up in price, so yeah, but we're just pulling in now. Well, I think it's going to be a bit of a wait today, isn't it? That Mercedes over there is quite nice, ain't it? Not low though. Yeah. It's quite nice actually. But, yeah, see how long the wait is. Damage is there. Captain. Let's have a little bit of damage just for the photos. It's actually got a really nice leather interior. Not leather, sorry. It's got really nice. Oh yeah, it's half leather. Half leather. What's the interior? Oh, there you go. Happy days. Book pack. Oh no, I can't see the service booklet. Okay, I've got a book pack but no service booklet. Locking all up keys. Both keys. It's done. 43,000 miles. It's quite a new model. This was quite a late model, sorry, for the Corsa D. It's got all the tyre pressure sensor in it, stuff like that as well. You know that tyre pressure light that we struggled with the other one. Take the boat pack with me. It's got one previous owner. It's got a Corsa Excite Executive. Not too sure. The damage on it we reported a bit more than the photo showed, weren't it? But that's obviously we've got the scratches got on the back of the back, I'll be able to point that. And then yeah, that's the main damage. So it is in quite a bit actually, but it won't be a problem. Definitely not be a problem for us to fix, but that is Cat N. So, but I mean, obviously I'm not sure what the difference is between Cat N and Cat S anymore, because surely that should be structural. I mean, I knew it did have that damage on it anyway, but surely that should be structural. But I suppose at the end of the world, because with it being Cat N, it makes it worth a little bit more money. But yeah. Right, okay, so we're just leaving Copart now. We're loaded up. It's got a nice Range Rover on the back of that one. But yeah, the rear caught on us a bit more in than we thought. But what do you think? Yeah. So yeah, they've got a lot of stuff in there. They've got a really nice Audi ST there. But yeah, so obviously another lorry coming in through here. Well, I haven't had a proper look around it yet. I haven't looked underneath the bonnet and that, but inside it looks well clean. I'll order a set of Vauxhall Corsa mats tonight. They're only about £30 from the dealer, so they're not too expensive anyway. But yeah. So on the way back from Copart, we decided to go and get some work jumpers. Matalan Biggle Blade's the only closest one to us now. So we're running some errands today, even with the black Corsa on the back. So we've decided to take her back home for now. We're going to drop her off at the workshop tomorrow. I did actually go to the workshop to get a invoice for the car, because when I send off for the V62, I was speaking to somebody at Copart the other day, and they said that they process them a lot more quicker if you have an invoice for the car, and obviously you tell them where you got the car from and explain the situation. So let's turn it over, make sure it's not in gear. Dead battery. I'll be back soon with a jump pack and we'll see whether it starts. But it's all relatively clean. I think it's definitely had mats taken out a bit, because that carpet is way too clean. Oh, what's that? Ah, that's the service history. That's the gates. It's alright then. But yeah, as I was saying, it's definitely had the mat taken out of it, because those mats are far too clean for them to not have them taken out of it, unless they got it here before they crashed it. But yes, I'll be back tomorrow with a jump pack. Something hasn't got aircon. Okay, that's not the end of the world. So it's the day after, and I've come to the workshop. It's Wednesday. We picked it up yesterday. It was Tuesday, and we'll see whether it starts now. I have had the battery on charge all night, so hopefully it should start. Yeah.
Sure, he can no more refuse you
There we go. No lights on, other than obviously the handbrake and the seat belt. So a quarter tank of petrol, and it does sound alright. It does sound alright, to be fair. Actually, I'm going to open up the bonnet. I'm going to have a look underneath that as well. It sounds alright. Just water in it. Sounds alright, so that's a job well done. And then it's literally just basically now either repairing that door or trying to find a door and then repairing that quarter. But yeah, so hello. So we're back from picking up the black Vauxhall Corsa. We stopped into Matalan on the way back and got some work clothes, but I've filled out the V62, I've attached an invoice and I've left a little note for Copart at the top just saying basically that we bought the car from a salvage auction, and that's the reason why we have the vehicle, and hopefully they could issue a logbook a bit more quicker than they normally do. It's still coming up sawned, so maybe the previous owner has sawned it rather than telling DVLA they don't own it anymore. So yeah, so hopefully that will come back, and if you enjoyed part 1 then make sure you stay tuned for part 2. This one's going to be a bit more of a more intense repair than the last couple ones, but make sure you stick around. And yeah, if you know actually anybody who has a black door in colour, then rather than painting it I will buy it off you. So drop a comment and follow my Instagram, because all my latest things goes on my Instagram. So anything from cars to sale to needing parts, anything like that, all go to my Instagram. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in part 2.